Naomi.
Bryce.
Level 2.
Uptown Swing.
That's correct. Tempo. So tonight we learned jig kicks, and then we went into Frankie Sixes, thinking about how we can substitute triple steps with kick steps.
Boom.
We
Looks like
did.
this. Ooh, ha, ha, ooh, ha, ha. Let's do it. Ooh, ha. Hey.
Remember to keep the momentum, kicking your own shadow.
Hey.
Keep
Ha.
ha. Then we worked on 8-count footwork, just working it as a drill for ourselves and speeding it up. So if you're practicing at home, we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, hey, boom, boom, ha. Remember, we're down in our legs and we're committing. Let's get a little faster. Boom, boom, okay. Boom, boom, ga. Boom, boom. This side, that side.
Ha.
Then we took that into some swing outs and we'll talk some more about those next week.
Woo.